traveling right now. I'm on highway I-69, and I want to show you, it's like rainstorm, treacherous road hazard, you know. I'll show you. Look at that. I'm gonna go slow. I'm gonna go, let's see, 45 miles up to 50 miles an hour. It's really bad. Look at that. It's gonna get slow. Look at this. Rainstorm. Gonna go slow. Everybody's doing like 60, not 60, but 40 miles an hour. Look at all the God. Look at all the roads. High winds. I think I'm going to make it. I'm just gonna go slow, you know. I always have this problem every time. Get caught in the middle of a storm, a rainstorm, or high winds. Look at all that. It's just, yeah, but hey, just traveling, you know. Blogging, traveling, getting more content. I'm gonna go past this. I'm gonna go past this semi truck. So, man, I gotta go past this because the storm. It's like heavy rain and wind, gusting wind. Turn my signal on. See the wind? It's rocking the trees. Look at that. Rocking the trees. My car is shaking right now, but I have to get this done. I mean, I'm going to look at that. There's still, yeah, I'm just gonna go slow. Pay attention to the road. Yeah, guys, I got caught in the middle of this rainstorm or high winds. I'll survive. Alright, we'll see you. And Thanks for following my blog. It's a good travel. It's treacherous road condition, but the road still manageable to drive. Still got high winds and rain, heavy rain. Alright, see you soon. My car is shaking right now. Yeah, it's the wind is really, it's really the gust, you know. Oh man. Trees, they're like rocking. Man, oh, Jesus. We're gonna. Oh man. We're gonna feel just trying to share this to you guys. Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully. Alright. I will really see you next time, and thanks for watching my YouTube channel. I'm gonna go head on and keep traveling. Alright. Thank you guys.